Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You know what we're doing. So, you see this? That is a light switch. This and this is a light switch. And this is the female bathroom symbol. Now, and then this is another light switch. This is a light switch. And this is the man symbol for the men's room. Now, this isn't a place where babies get milk. They get when if you are breastfeeding your baby. And this is what babies are. This is how you get a baby with this, and I'm not gonna tell you that, but it goes right in there. YouTube, don't demonetize me. What, Mom? Recording of one last video. But, you know. Enough of this. Let's talk about why this looks so inappropriate. So, this is what we call boobs. What women have. And this, the scientific term, penis. And of course, that's what men have. Why is it inappropriate, you may ask? Because if children saw this, they would be very traumatized. So yeah. Do not do something like this. Do not do this. Do not do it. If you're making a light switch, do not do this right here. See you guys in the next one. Peace.